Energetic Portal 4-4, this Thursday. Beloved brothers and sisters, this portal will be very special, as we are embracing abundant energy, including that of Mercury. It's a moment to connect with our true essence and manifest those deepest desires you wish to realize. On this portal day, for planets Venus, Neptune, Saturn, and Mars will align, offering a propitious day to leverage all this aligning energy. This portal opens with the frequency of manifestation, connecting with your body, mind, soul, and spirit. You will be able to visualize clearly with your third eye, which will expand, amplifying your gifts. Connecting with your higher self and downloading all your divine wisdom will be facilitated. Jupiter will govern this portal, inviting you to be generous and will help expand your gifts and connect with your intuition and good luck. It will assist you at all times in bringing that financial aspect into your life and feeling joy and happiness for life. The energies of Jupiter invite you to expand into prosperity and good fortune, helping you connect with love and freedom. Jupiter is a very generous planet. It's a great benefactor, being the protector star of the zodiac. It will help you expand your divine consciousness, having the ability to perceive that great internal potential. It will be important for you to stay internally balanced. This is the season of air with fire as its element, distinguished by its strength and impulsiveness. Remember, abundance and fortune are not only reflected in the financial realm but also in good energy, high vibrations, and aspects of your life. The number 4 represents order and law, related to stability, security, and responsibility. According to cosmogony, 4 represents the physical plane, the tetrad, the square or base of the pyramidal shape, which is the most stable of all geometrical shapes. The Pythagoreans called it the greatest miracle, as it is the first number that is, even i.e. divisible by 2, as its quotient. Some of its representations are the 4 cardinal points, the 4 seasons of the year. The 4 elements are water, earth, air, and fire. Take advantage of the energy of Portal 4.4, which will be present for 21 days, and start connecting with yourself. Envision great things you can do. This number 4 also represents organization, stability, order, and values. This portal invites you to connect with your imagination and have confidence in yourself. You can engage in meditation, connect with nature, express mantras of abundance and prosperity, say decrees, invocations, etc. Well wishes for each of you with the energies of this 4-4 portal this Thursday. Then, to receive the energies of the eclipse next Monday, April 8th. Do not forget to be protected every day. Dark forces take advantage of these days of portals, eclipses, full moon, new moon, etc. to do their work. I am Maria Lustig, guardian of the flame of light in service to Gaia. Voiced by We Are Positive Worldwide. Always remember, you are the most important person in this world. We love you very much. We are with you every step of the way. We value your presence. We are your cosmic family of light. We are your source of eternal light and love. We are your beacon of light on the path. Thank you, thank you, thank you.